Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the screen of your Asus F543UA laptop. In this video, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this repair successfully. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These will help you safely remove the old screen and install the new one without damaging any components. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's essential to prevent any electrical issues during the repair process. Once you've done this, place your laptop on a flat surface to avoid any slips. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the bezel surrounding the screen. Take note of the different sizes of screws, as you will need to place them back in their respective locations later. If you struggle with this step or don't have the right tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once the screws are removed, gently use your plastic spudger to pry the bezel off. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this could crack the screen. After the bezel is removed, you will see additional screws securing the screen itself. Remove these screws as well. Now, carefully tilt the screen forward and disconnect the video cable attached to the back. This part requires some patience, as the connector can be quite snug. If at any point you feel uncomfortable performing this task, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. Our team can handle the repair for you, saving you the hassle of travel. Once the old screen is fully detached, take your new screen and connect the video cable just as the previous one was connected. Make sure it's securely attached to avoid any display issues. Next, align the screen with the screw holes and reinsert the screws you previously removed. It's crucial to tighten each screw evenly to ensure the screen is held firmly in place. Now, before replacing the bezel, clean the screen with your microfiber cloth. This will remove any dust or fingerprints, ensuring a clear display once the repair is complete. After cleaning, snap the bezel back into place, making sure it fits snugly around the edges of the screen. Don't forget to reinsert the screws that hold the bezel in position. If you're unsure about any step in this process, we offer a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions without any pressure. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to tackle repairs confidently. Finally, power up your laptop to test the new screen. Make sure everything is functioning correctly before you finish. If you encounter any issues, remember that our services are available at your convenience, ensuring you have a smooth experience throughout your repair journey. Thank you for following along with this guide, and good luck with your screen replacement. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.